So today on the table, I've got myself a second-hand Asus TUF laptop. So prior to COVID coming up, or happening, I had a MSI GL65, which was running a i5 9300, and also had a 1650 in their 4 gig model. I sold that and then got a Dell G3 of the same specifications, except this one had a 60 Hz panel, not 120 Hz, and I sold that early into COVID basically. And since then I haven't had a machine. So I've been getting towy to get back into a laptop of some variety. And on eBay I spotted a Asus. As you can see, it has been used. That is perfectly fine, I don't really care. We have the 120 watt, I believe. It might even be 180 possibly. Anyway, we have the power brick. And we have a reasonably dusty machine. Let's flip it over and have a look. So we are a FX505DU, or an FX505D. So this particular one should contain the Ryzen 7 3750H. Apparently it's got 16 gig of RAM and a 1 terabyte hard drive. I'm not sure if that's SSD or not, but I would be glad to be back into a laptop. So to begin with, I'm going to give this a bit of a clean. Then I'll replace the thermal paste, and from there I'll give it a bit of a use and a review. So I'm looking forward to jumping back into a 120 Hz display. Can't quite tell on this one, or you can kind of tell. That screen is reasonably dirty, so I'll be getting a fair bit of love to clean this up. And I'll be pumping out a review hopefully in the next week. So let's see how we go with the older Asus. Granted, the reason behind purchasing this one was it cost me around about 1,000 Australian dollars for this machine, or 1,001 Australian dollars for this machine, including postage second hand. And this one, instead of it having a 1650 in it, this one's apparently got the 1660 Ti. So it's going to have a decent jump in performance. As you can see by the manufacturing date down here, technically it's still under warranty as well. Manufacturing date, 2019-08, 24 months warranty. So still within the warranty period for a second-hand machine. Let's see how this goes.